Hi, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do some post-processing towards the distance to fall data that you obtain from FieldFox. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I save the data of our distance to fall in VSWR format from FieldFox, and I want to convert it to return loss in dB format. So how do we do that? You can probably find this information in the website if you Google around. And this is a summary of the formula, the relationship between VSWR and return loss. So it's just a simple arithmetic formula change of VSWR equals to what's the relationship between VSWR and the reflection coefficients, and how do we convert that reflections coefficients to dB unit. This is the data that I obtained from FieldFox, and I save it as VSWR, as you can see right now. So this column is frequency, and this is a VSWR unitless. And this, let's say we create another column for reflections coefficients, and the last one would be the reflection loss in dB format. So just bear in mind that the reflection coefficients formula is VSWR minus 1 over VSWR plus 1. So the value is always positive. So with that in mind, so what we have here is VSWR minus 1 over VSWR plus 1. And it's definitely less than 0. That's what we want, because once we change it to the log, we can get some information, positive value there. So the formula is minus 20 multiplied with log 10 of the reflection coefficients, and this is what we get. Let's plot it out, and let's say we plot out the VSWR. Okay, and then we insert this one. Let's put it up there. Let's look it up here. And we have it here. And then let's do the same for refraction loss in dB. Then we do it here. And yeah, we might have to change a bit of how the graph for return loss in dB format. Okay, let's change the title so that we can see the difference DTF in VSWR. And this is the return loss in dB. Okay, and let's put it the x-axis, and let's change that here. There we go. And do the same for VSWR. Sorry, do the same for return loss, and there we go. Okay, let's close this. And so because of how the graph is positioned, so it's always start from 0, and the number will go bigger when it goes up. So we want it to be the other way around. So let's say we change the format. How do we change the format? Yeah, this is one format axis and value in reverse order. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it looks like in FieldFox when we do return loss in dB. And to me, it looks quite identical between the return loss in dB that we converted and also return loss that we measured from FieldFox in CAT mode. So essentially, you can do both measurements, the same measurements in FieldFox but different format, or you can just do one measurements like DTF in dB, then you do the conversion in the post-processing process, or the other way around, or you can do both and save both in FieldFox. So that's it for this video on how we convert that, and thanks for watching.